What if I told you that one of the most valuable teams in the Indian Premier League has a brand value of $269 million US, and it's not the Mumbai Indians or the Chennai Super Kings, but the Royal Challengers Bengaluru. This staggering figure has left fans and critics alike wondering what makes this team tick. The Royal Challengers Bengaluru, or RCB, has been a force to be reckoned with in the IPL, with a consistent performance and a star-studded lineup. But here's what nobody talks about: the secrets behind their success. What makes RCB one of the most valuable teams in the league, and how have they managed to build a loyal fan base and create a lasting impact on the world of cricket? But here's the thing: RCB's journey has not been without its ups and downs. The team has faced years of underachievement, despite having some of the biggest names in cricket. And that's not even the craziest part. They've only recently started to turn their fortunes around, with a renewed sense of purpose and fresh leadership. So, what's behind their newfound success? And how have they managed to overcome their past struggles? One of the key factors behind RCB's success is the rise of young players like Rajat Patida. This talented batsman has been instrumental in the team's recent victories, and his impressive performances on the field have made him a fan favorite. But wait, it gets even better. Patida's rise to fame is a testament to the team's ability to spot and nurture young talent, and his contributions will be crucial in shaping the team's future. Now here's where things get really wild. RCB has one of the most expensive franchises in the IPL, with a brand value that tops the league charts. And this one blew my mind. The team's brand value is not just a result of their on-field performance, but also their strong brand identity and loyal fan base. Hold on, because this changes everything. RCB's brand value is a result of their ability to build a lasting connection with their fans and create a sense of community and belonging. But it's not just the young players who have contributed to RCB's success. The team has also been led by some of the biggest names in cricket, including Virat Kohli. This enduring star power has been a major factor in RCB's success, and his presence continues to inspire and motivate the team. And then, everything changed. Kohli's leadership and performances on the field have been instrumental in shaping the team's identity and culture. And this next fact is a game-changer. RCB's maiden title win was a historic moment for the team and their fans. This victory marked a turning point in the team's journey, as it not only brought them success but also increased their brand value. But here's the thing. This title win was not just a result of the team's hard work and dedication, but also their ability to learn from their mistakes and overcome adversity. But here's the thing nobody expected. RCB's success is not just a result of their on-field performance, but also their off-field strategy. The team has been able to build a strong brand identity and create a lasting connection with their fans, which has been instrumental in their success. And this next fact is a surprise. RCB's brand value is not just a result of their performance, but also their ability to create a sense of community and belonging among their fans. So, what's the secret to RCB's success? It's not just one thing, but a combination of factors. Their ability to spot and nurture young talent, their strong brand identity, and their enduring star power. The team's journey has been a testament to the power of fresh leadership, determination, and a renewed sense of purpose. And in the end, it's clear that RCB's success is not just a result of their on-field performance, but also their ability to create a lasting impact on the world of cricket. If this blew your mind, smash that subscribe button. We drop new facts videos every single day, and you won't want to miss out on the latest and greatest from the world of sports and beyond. And check out our blog at factstormhub.com for the full deep dive into the secrets behind RCB's success. And get ready to have your mind blown by the most incredible facts and stories from around the world.